Hi, it's your girl Barbie here, and we are testing out OpenAI's latest tool that turns text into 3D objects. So how it works is that when you type something like purple headphones, it finds a picture that matches that description and then turns that image into a 3D object. So let's try it. So we are here in the Point E demo, and let's type in a simple prompt. Let's do a red and white sneaker. It does not look like a sneaker at all. It looks like a piece of bread, or I don't even know what this is. Try something else. A blue robot. I just hope this is a simple enough prompt so it doesn't look weird. Okay, it looks like a robot from the front. But I do wonder why it's all in dots. So that is a little bit weird. Let's try their example. Okay, so it does supposed to look like this. Even this, it doesn't really look like a yellow rubber duck. Let's try one more. A spaceship. Looks like a cloth. So that's all we're doing today. Let me know if there are any other text to 3D models AI tools out there that I should try.